How to make yourself discreet. Watch till the end this video. Number 10. Do not forget God when you get what you prayed for. Number 9. Do not give up. Normally, it is the last key on the ring which opens the door. Number 8. Little girl with dreams become a woman with vision. Number 7. Every failure is just another step closer to a win. Never stop trying. Number 6. No matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who is not trying. Number 5. Failure is success if we learn from it. Number 4. Sometimes your heart needs more time to accept what your mind already knows. Number 3. Success is the sum of all small efforts repeated day in and day out. Number 2. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. And last one, listen 100 times, ponder 1,000 times, speak once. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for motivation. May Allah bless you.